What's going on, guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to make some beautiful beats for dsavage. So for this kind of beat, you want to do like 150 BPM. I'm gonna do like exactly 150. And then you want to use like pads and keys. I'm just gonna start with the keys just because it's like easier to get the chords down. I'm gonna use addictive keys. There's like a free version if you guys want to get it. I'm just gonna pick whatever random piano. So you guys saw the last video, I showed you guys how to do minor 9 chords, and I'm gonna do that again. I'm just gonna extend that shit. And I'm gonna strum it, Option S. And now I'm gonna clone that. I'm gonna grab another thing of addictive keys. I'm gonna grab this preset right here, and now I'm gonna add like a top layer. This is one of those plugins you think you don't have, but you probably do. So I'm just gonna grab a pad. I already know what pad I want. So I'm gonna go to soft right here, and then this one. So I'm gonna take these chords right here from before, and I'm just gonna paste them in here. So I'm just gonna add some delay to those keys. Now I'm gonna start on the drums. I'm gonna be using my drum kit. If you guys want any of my kits, links are down below. I appreciate all you guys that cop. Also, I just dropped a free serum bank, so you guys can get that. Links in the description. Try to sit to it. Try a different with it. For the open hat, what you want to do is you want to right click right here and hit cut itself. This makes it so you can just like mute it. That's pretty much it for the drums. I think what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna open Arcade. I'm gonna try to get some sort of vocal just to add something for like the intro. Actually, let's see what else they have. Make this like pan left and right. take that first one out. Massive delay to that. So now I'm gonna arrange everything. Just right click right here, split by channel, and just Command B, Command B. I'm gonna start it off like this. If you guys like the video, make sure to leave a like, sub to the channel, follow me on Instagram at prodmayze, follow underdogs.oo, and check out our kit store, join our Discord. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. So I'm like a pail. Money, power, respect, boy, this shit's